This is smelling so good, it's incredible. Today we are gonna do a so good yellow chicken curry. It will be so good curry powder, chicken, potatoes, onion, coconut milk, a dash of water. It is so good, so easy. Let's show you. We're gonna start by adding some oil. Now for the onions. We will be frying the onions until they translucent and soft. Our onions is ready. It is now time to add our chicken. Our chicken is here and I am now going to add our so good yellow potato. We'll now be adding potatoes. Give that a quick stir. Ensuring most of our potatoes is covered in curry powder. This is smelling so good, it's incredible. I will now be adding some coconut milk. And some water. Fit our lid and allow this to cook for 30 to 40 minutes until the chicken and potato is soft. Our chicken and potato curry is ready. Let's dish up. In this cold weather, there's nothing better than a so good curry.